Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can manage voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in voice recorder. Now you can install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now tap on this X icon at the top right corner and select this red button. After that, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. And as you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, type in wherever you wish to or not at all and click on OK. And then in order to end it and save it, click on the check mark. Now select Save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. In order to rename it, you need to hold it. Select this icon next to the heart. Type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on this bin one instead and confirm a choice in the pop-up. You can create a new one right away by tapping on this red button. If you wish to play your recording, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!